Good morning, students. Today we will learn lesson number 7, articles a, n, and the. It's on page number, this lesson is on page number 36. So, these are three of the articles a, n, and the. Read the following sentences carefully. So, a is used before words that begin with consonants. For examples, a bat, a cap, a doll. So, when a is used before words that do not begin with a vowel. Okay, so for vowels you have a, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels you have: A, E, I, O, U. And rest are the consonants. So A is used where the consonants are there. And when the noun begins with the vowels, then we write N. So I repeat, A is used before words that begin with consonants. So the words which begin with consonants, before that we have to use A. If suppose the word begins with a vowel, then we write A-N-N. So, A-N is used before words that begin with vowel sounds. For examples, apple. So, A is a vowel. That's why you have to write N, apple. In the same way, elephant. N, elephant. E is a vowel. So that's why you have to know before children that there are 5 vowels, and all these vowels you have to know by heart. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels you have, that once the vowels come, so the article what you're going to use just before the vowels word is N. A-N, N for the vowels. Then when the is used when we want to talk about something in particular. Okay, when we want to speak some things in particular, here the examples are given. The book with a red cover. So the book is mentioned. The book is mentioned is of red cover. The book with a red cover. Then the doll in a blue frock. So here it is not just mentioned doll. Here the doll is mentioned. That's why it is given a doll. But what type of doll? A particular doll that is with blue frock. So that is mentioned. A doll with a blue frock is mentioned. That's why the comes. A particular doll with blue frock. In the same way, if suppose book is written, then you can write a book. But here it is mentioned book with a red cover. So that's why you have to write the book with a red cover. It is mentioned what kind of book. If nothing was mentioned, for example, just book is mentioned, then you have to write a book. Then next example you have is, we also use the before the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the Taj Mahal, because there is only one of them. Okay, so in one way, in particular article you have to mention is if the noun is mentioned in a proper way. If the proper noun is given, that time you have to use the. And in second way you have to use the is when there is only one thing. So the sun. Sun is only one. There are no many suns. The sun is only one. So in those cases also, in those noun, if there are mentioned, you have to write the. So for example, some pictures are given, suppose, of a dog, of a school, then table. So for dog you will write what? A dog. Then school, a school. A table. Like that. Okay? So always remember, not only see the vowels, see the sounds also that they make. For example, honest. So, honest. So, for honest, H is silent. For example, you have over here honest. So, the honest word comes H-O-N-E-S-T. This is the honest word. But for this honest word, H is silent. H is silent. So, it begins with O. So, you have to write N. Honest. Okay, so like that we write an honest. Here the H is silent. Words like honorable are. So for that also you have to write A-N-N. When we talk about a particular person or thing, when we talk about particular person or thing, then I told you that you have to write the. For example, more examples can be the principal, the manager. So you cannot say a principal, a manager, no. So you have to say the principal, the manager, like that. Then when there is only one of its kind in the world, so then you will not find any other, like the king, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the sun, the sky, like that. Sky is only one. So where the things we find only one, you have to write the. Then when we walk or write about something that is already spoken about, there also you have to write the. For example, there was a fox. The fox was very hungry. So there was a fox. The fox was very hungry. So in this lesson you have learned articles. Okay. Now let us do the exercises. So you will understand in a better way. So first exercise you have is fill in the blanks with a, an or the. So first picture you have is of a mouse. So mouse is just one. You have to write a mouse. Okay. It's not mentioned what kind of mouse it is. If it was written a mouse is black in color or mouse is naughty, then you could say the mouse is black in color. Okay, like that you can say. If you have to see the sentence, here you have to write a mouse, then egg is given. So I told you where the noun begins with vowels, you have to write A-N. So E is a vowel. That's why you have to write A-N, N. Then the angel, a car, an ostrich, a kitten. Then an igloo, a rabbit, a frog, the moon. So moon is only one. So you have to write the moon. Then here U is a vowel. That's why you have to write A-N-N. Then sun. Sun is only one. That's why you have to write the sun. The next exercise you have is fill in the blanks with a an or the. The moon is out tonight. So you have to write the. The moon is out tonight. I got a gift today. What kind of gift and all? Nothing is mentioned. So just a gift. So you have to write a gift. There is an owl sitting on the tree. So O is a vowel. That's why I have to write A-N-N. I waited for you for an hour. So I missed the bus. So here the comes. Have you visited the Taj Mahal? So here the comes because Taj Mahal is only one. I live in a big house. So I live in a big house. Turn the page. Then third one. Write a, an or the in the blanks. First one. A flower and a butterfly. You have to write a over here and here also a. A flower and a butterfly. A kite and the sky. Then third one. The sun and the moon. An eye and a hand. A fish and an octopus. The earth and the solar system. An apple and a cupcake. A clown and a balloon. A hive and a bee. Then exercise number 4. Tick the correct box and complete the sentences. I saw the bright star in the sky last night. So you have to tick mark here. The is the correct answer. And you have to write in the blank. I saw the bright star in the sky last night. I have 2 younger brothers and an older sister. And you have to tick mark. Then, I have a new toy. The car is red. So you have to tick mark the car is red. My mother is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. You have to tick mark. We saw an elephant at the zoo. You have to write an because E is a vowel. Okay. Then E is a vowel. Then you have 6th one. Dash moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. So you have to write tick mark the. Then exercise number 5. Make sentences with the following. So first it was A was given. A boy is playing cricket. Then second one of N, I made a sentence. I like to eat an egg. Third sentence. The sky looks colorful. Okay. So for your homework, all these exercises complete on your textbook. Complete these exercises, children, on your textbook and also write them on your notebook so that you improve your handwriting and you learn this lesson number 7 articles in a better way. So for your practice, you write these exercises on your notebook and complete them on your textbook. First complete them on your textbook first and then write them on your notebook. And read this lesson. Read this lesson 2 times. Complete your homework and complete your books. Thank you. Bye.